Obsidian magma rift typography effect. Create a dramatic obsidian magma rift effect in PLAB using a deep black background with a subtle volcanic smoke and dark atmospheric textures. Is a bold, powerful typography with a glossy black obsidian surface, sharp beveeled edges, and realistic reflective hegelights. Add glowing orange red magma cracks running through the letters, making the text apart red from intense yet beneath the surface. Enhance the cracks with a brigid yellow-white chorus, soft orange outer gloves, and thin molten particles stopping around the typography. Add a strong cinematic shade and subtle red ambient lighting behind the text. Is a PLAB state stroke, shade of gradient, inner shade of style, glow, blur, and layering texture.